What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 9. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my up and coming videos get uploaded. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing for the Pixel 9. So over here in the United Kingdom, it starts off at £799 and that'll get you 128GB of storage. There is also a 256GB storage option, which will set you back £799. It's also available in a range of 4 different colours, from Peony, Wintergreen, Porcelain and Obsidian. And as you've probably guessed, in today's video I'll be unboxing the Peony coloured Pixel 9. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with the Pixel 9. So if we flip the box over, you'll notice there are 2 pull tabs on the rear, and pulling away these and sliding away the sleeve, we get to the box, and lifting away the lid reveals the Pixel 9 sat atop. But before we take a look at the Pixel 9, you'll find that there are some included documents in the lid. And taking a look at these, we find our quick start guide, which gives us a general overview on some of the layout of ports and the buttons on this device, along with pointing us to some health and safety, regulatory and warranty information. And lastly, you'll find your SIM card ejection tool. And then we have the Pixel 9. But hiding underneath this, you'll find your USB-C to USB-C cable, which has a length of around 1 meter and can be used to charge up this device, along with sync across any data to your PC or Mac. And well, of course we've got the smartphone itself. Now as you can see, this peony colour is very striking, it's very saturated and it's basically pink, but hey, let's keep calling it Peony. And I'm sure Google are going to sell many of these smartphones, especially with this colour choice. And whilst at first I was a little unsure about this design for the Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro for that matter, having them in my hands, they certainly feel very well built and quite solid. But hey, stick around for my full and in-depth review by hitting that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my up and coming videos get uploaded to the channel. Of course, if you've got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, go and hit me up over on my social media, that's X and Instagram. I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.